The iPaaS market just crossed $9 billion in revenue and is projected to hit $17 billion by 2028. With over 270 different iPaaS providers fighting for your attention, choosing the right integration platform has never been more critical or more confusing. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 iPaaS solutions to consider for 2026. But before we dive into the countdown, let me set the stage with a reality check. Integration Platform as a Service has become the go-to solution for connecting cloud applications, automating workflows, and managing APIs across hybrid IT environments. The promise is simple: seamless integration without custom code. But here's the uncomfortable truth: 31% of enterprises still rely on legacy systems that lack API compatibility with modern iPaaS tools. This increases implementation timelines by 8 to 10 weeks on average. And it gets worse. 44% of IT leaders identify data silos and disparate systems as their biggest challenge when deploying integration solutions. Think about that. Almost half of organizations can't actually connect the systems their iPaaS is supposed to integrate. Remember those statistics. They're going to be important as we work through this countdown. At number 5, we have SnapLogic, the low-code integration platform built for speed. SnapLogic uses a drag-and-drop pipeline builder with over 600 pre-built connectors called snaps. The platform is designed to support a range of integration needs, from traditional ETL-style data integration for analytics to real-time application integration and API creation, all with minimal coding required. The visual interface makes it accessible for teams without deep development resources. You build integration pipelines by connecting pre-configured components, each handling a specific integration task. The modular approach means you can quickly assemble complex data flows without starting from scratch. SnapLogic introduced SnapGPT, one of the first generative AI solutions in the iPaaS space. This AI assistant helps users build pipelines faster by suggesting appropriate snaps and configurations based on natural language descriptions of what you're trying to accomplish. The platform offers transparent pricing and is available across multiple cloud marketplaces, making procurement straightforward for cloud-native organizations. Best for teams prioritizing low-code data integration and analytics pipelines with fast development cycles. Number 4 is Workato, bringing AI-powered automation to integration. Workato focuses on process automation and collaboration between IT and business teams through an intuitive, AI-assisted user experience. The platform emphasizes democratized development, allowing citizen developers to build and maintain automations alongside technical teams. The serverless architecture means you don't need to manage infrastructure or worry about scaling. Workato handles that automatically. You get an extensive library of pre-built connectors and templates covering common business processes across departments. Workato's AI capabilities go beyond basic automation. The platform provides in-product assistance that guides users through building workflows, offers proactive suggestions for optimization, and includes sentiment analysis for customer-facing processes. The fine-grained access permissions let you control exactly who can build, modify, and execute different workflows. This governance model is crucial when enabling business users to create their own automations without IT becoming a bottleneck. The platform integrates seamlessly across IT, HR, finance, and other business departments, making it ideal for organizations looking to automate processes that span multiple teams. Best for organizations seeking to empower citizen developers with AI-driven workflow automation across business and IT teams. At number 3, Boomi, the veteran platform known for connecting hybrid and legacy environments. Boomi's cloud-native AtomSphere platform has been a leader in iPaaS for over a decade. The platform uses low-code tools to build integrations that can run on cloud or on-premises using Atoms, lightweight runtime engines you deploy wherever you need them. This hybrid deployment model is crucial for organizations with significant on-premise infrastructure. You can integrate legacy systems with modern cloud applications without requiring those legacy systems to expose themselves directly to the internet. Boomi provides multiple modules beyond basic integration, API management, B2B/EDI exchanges, workflow automation through Boomi Flow, and master data management. This comprehensive approach means you can standardize on one platform for various integration patterns. The platform includes a large library of pre-built connectors, making it relatively quick to get started with common integrations. The low-code interface balances ease of use with the depth needed for complex enterprise scenarios. Boomi excels at ESB-type integration patterns, the kind of middleware-style integrations that have been core to enterprise architecture for decades, now delivered as a cloud service. Best for enterprises modernizing legacy integration infrastructure while maintaining connectivity to on-premise systems. Silver medal goes to MuleSoft's Anypoint platform, the enterprise standard for API-led integration. MuleSoft pioneered the API-first approach to integration, and as part of Salesforce, it's become the go-to choice for organizations deeply invested in the Salesforce ecosystem. The Anypoint platform isn't just about connecting systems, it's about building a comprehensive API strategy. The platform provides end-to-end API lifecycle management, design, development, deployment, and governance. You can create reusable APIs, manage them centrally, and apply consistent security and access policies across your entire API estate. MuleSoft's DataWeave transformation language gives developers powerful capabilities for mapping and transforming data between systems. While this requires more technical expertise than low-code alternatives, it delivers precision and flexibility for complex enterprise integration scenarios. The platform includes extensive monitoring and analytics, showing you exactly how APIs are being used, where bottlenecks exist, and what's causing failures. This visibility is crucial for maintaining enterprise-scale integration infrastructure. MuleSoft has positioned itself as an automation fabric, extending beyond simple integration to orchestrate complex business processes across systems. The large template library and RPA capabilities mean you can automate both digital and legacy processes from one platform. Best for large enterprises and system integrators building comprehensive API-led integration architectures, especially in Salesforce-centric environments. So those are 4 world-class iPaaS platforms. Each of these platforms is genuinely excellent at what they do, giving you the tools to build integrations. But now we need to talk about the elephant in the room, the thing that's killing most iPaaS implementations before they deliver value. iPaaS platforms give you tools. They don't give you outcomes. Let me explain what I mean. When you buy an iPaaS platform, you're buying a development environment, pre-built connectors, transformation capabilities, API management tools. What you're not getting is someone to actually operate those integrations 24/7, keep them running when systems change, or guarantee they'll work when you need them most. Organizations report that transaction-based pricing escalates costs unpredictably as integration volume grows. You succeeded at building the integration, but now you're losing money every time it runs. This is where even the best iPaaS platforms hit the same wall. They're designed to help you build integrations, not to operate and maintain them as a continuous service. Here's the impossible choice that service providers and enterprise IT teams face with traditional iPaaS. Build it yourself and own all the risk, or move slowly and miss business opportunities. But business won't accept the compromise. The result? Service providers spend 6 months on security reviews and custom integration work for every new customer. They lose RFPs because they can't promise integration timelines with certainty. Enterprise IT teams become transformation blockers, not because they're slow, but because integration complexity makes every project unpredictable. Both lose credibility. Why does this keep happening? Because iPaaS platforms optimize for build time, how fast you can develop an integration. They don't optimize for runtime, what happens after you click deploy. Your best engineers end up chasing failed payloads at 2 a.m. instead of delivering strategic value. Integration becomes a continuous drain on resources, rather than an enabler of growth. This cannot continue. That's why we need to talk about what comes next. This brings us to number 1, ONEiO, the world's first managed iPaaS provider. ONEiO doesn't just give you integration tools. We deliver integration operations as a service, the complete operational lifecycle of your integrations, managed 24/7 by experts. Think about the difference. Traditional iPaaS, build it yourself, deploy, hope it keeps working, firefight when it breaks. Managed iPaaS, we build it, we operate it, we maintain it, we guarantee it works. Here's what makes ONEiO radically different. 1. built to master complexity. ONEiO can handle integration complexity that others can't. One integration connects multiple endpoints across any platforms. No point-to-point custom work for each connection. Your systems stay as they are. They evolve independently without breaking integrations. The effect? Scale without custom work. 2. Built for continuity. Microservices distributed across geographic regions with load balancing. Persistent message queuing prevents data loss. When systems go down, messages are held safely and automatically delivered when systems recover. Advanced monitoring and AI agents powered by OneAI provide 24/7 oversight, catching and resolving issues before they impact your business. Upgrades, migrations, and changes happen without breaking your integration flows. The effect? Stay operational 24/7, even during change. 3. Built for certainty. Battle-tested technology and experts ensure all integrations remain secure, compliant, and aligned with your business goals, not just initially, but continuously. We don't just monitor your integrations, we own the outcome. That's a guarantee you won't get from a DIY platform. The effect? Sleep soundly. This results in what we call the ONEiO effect. Scale integrations without scaling chaos. Be known for speed and reliability. Make commitments that differentiate you. Focus your team on strategic work, not operational firefighting. 3 service models to match your needs. Self-managed. You control integration development. We provide the platform and monitoring. Co-managed. We handle routine operations. You maintain strategic control. Fully managed. We own the complete integration lifecycle from design through 24/7 operations. Powered by OneAI. Our proprietary integration intelligence engine continuously monitors integration health, automatically resolves issues, provides intelligent mapping suggestions, and adapts to changes without manual intervention. It's like having an expert integration team that never sleeps, backed by a platform engineered for reliability. Purpose-built for service operations. OneIO provides pre-built connections to ServiceNow, Jira Service Management, BMC Remedy, Topdesk, Azure DevOps, and dozens of other ITSM and business platforms. These aren't generic API wrappers. They're purpose-built bi-directional connections that understand service management data models and operational requirements. Best for IT service providers, MSPs, and enterprise operations teams who need integration success guaranteed as a service, not sold as a tool. So let's bring this home. The 4 iPaaS platforms we reviewed are excellent tools. MuleSoft for API management, Boomi for hybrid environments, Workato for automation, SnapLogic for low-code speed. But here's what you need to understand. Tools require operators. Platforms require maintenance. DIY requires risk. Modern integration success requires 2 decisions. Decision 1. Choose the right integration approach for your organizational context. Decision 2. Decide whether you want to own integration operations or guarantee integration outcomes. If you have deep integration expertise, unlimited engineering capacity, and you enjoy managing complex infrastructure 24/7, traditional iPaaS platforms provide powerful capabilities. But if you're like most IT and service organizations, where integration is critical but shouldn't consume your best resources, you need a different approach. You need integration ops as a service. Integration ops as a service is like managed iPaaS, with roadmap and lifecycle ownership included. Instead of just giving you tools, we deliver guaranteed outcomes. Integrations that work, stay working, and adapt as your business evolves, without requiring you to become integration experts. It's the difference between buying a development platform and partnering with a service provider who ensures success. Here's the truth nobody else will tell you. Even the best iPaaS platform in the world fails when you don't have the operational model to support it long-term. That's the missing piece. That's integration ops. If you're evaluating iPaaS solutions or drowning in integration complexity, download our guide, Integration Ops for IT Service Leaders, to understand how leading organizations are moving from integration projects to integration capabilities. If this video helped you see integration differently, hit that subscribe button and check out our content related to the future of integrations. I'll see you in the next video.